Welcome to CAD/CAM Laboratory. The creation of 3D assembly model of universal joint. So already 2 parts done using 3 parametric software. So next, we draw pin and collar. So this diameter is 50 and extrude to 10. File, new, okay. Select the plane, go to sketch, sketch view, and select the circle. Circle value is 50 and extrude up to 10 mm. Extrude the part to 10 mm. Okay. Select the surface, sketch view, and the circle diameter is 30. Extrude up to 185 mm. Extrude 185 mm. Be okay. Then one hole is there. So from this point to this hole center point is 10 mm. Select this plane, sketch view, and create a circle. And the circle dimensions is 5 mm, and the length is 185. Thank you. Okay. Profile is created. Extrude on both sides. Change the extend up to the last. Give okay. Now the third part is created. Next we draw collar. So file, new, this part, select front view, sketch, change the orientation, and this circle diameter is 50, 30. Diameter circle, 50, second circle is 30. 50 and 30. Give okay. Extrude. So extrude distance is 10 mm. Give 10. Give okay. So extrude on both sides. Okay. Now choose this plane. Sketch view. Center on hole is there. Hole diameter is same 5 mm. To circle. Value is 5. Okay. Extrude on both sides. Remove the material. Give okay. The collar pattern is created. Last part is taper pin. File, new, part, solid, okay. Select the front view, go to sketch, and this pin, one end is 5 mm, another end is 6 mm diameter. Just create a 6 mm circle. Okay. Extrude up to 60 mm. Go to the options, add taper. So taper value is 1. So already 6 created. So taper value is 1. So reduce the 1 value. Okay. So the taper part is created. Now all the components is created. Next video, go for assembly. Thank you.